Okay, hello, today I'm just doing a quick video with high current. This is the video I promised. I almost forgot. There's an audio transformer right there. I want to get to that. It really sucks, so I'm just going to be using it as a ballast for the most part. And this does much better than the audio transformer in terms of sparks. Anyway, so I know I had different wire on it. Different wire on the mott, but that wire was kind of old and wore out. I had it for about a year, and I just said, it's time to take that off because I don't want it to wear out or anything. Plus, I didn't really need it. I have like 50 turns. I think I already said that on here. I have this wire I got from Radio Shack. It is very efficient. I just got the one that was stuck together, so that way I get twice the voltage and amperage. I can put it in parallel for more amps and stuff, and I can put it in series for more amps and volts. So, yeah, first I'm just going to show you with one of the windings, and I'm going to show you them in series. Yeah, I hope this is okay. I'm just going to leave the camera right there for a second while I plug it in. Hope the camera doesn't fall. You might just be able to hear some sound. Yeah. So as you can see, really high current. I don't want these windings to get too hot, so gotta be careful with that. Now I'm just gonna put it in series. Now watch these sparks. They're really big. Watch this right here. And I can even arc weld with this. See that? I just did that. Watch, I'll do it again. Yeah, but I think I'll stop for the time being because I don't want this winding to get too hot. So, yeah. High current transformer. We'll go ahead again. That was about 50 volts when I sparked it to here. The foil will still be hot when you touch it, so don't touch it. I thought this was aluminum. It wouldn't be that hot because it's a conductor of temperature and it'll absorb the cold air quickly, but I forgot that. Oh, it's hotter than the room temperature, and it's gonna take twice, depending on how hot it is. If it's like twice as hot, it's gonna take twice as long for it to get cool. Either way, it's just kind of simple math, and I just kind of ignored that and touched it yesterday, and of course I burnt my hand. Yeah, that was about 50, 60 volts right here. And right here was about 25 volts. 25-ish, I'd say. With a lot of current. You can see that I actually burnt a hole in the foil. And I triple layered this foil right here, so I fused the foil together and triple layered it and then fused it, so yeah, you can see the true power that this thing holds. So just be safe with this type of stuff because, excuse me, sorry about that. Excuse me. You still have to, Mom! You still have to, sorry about that, excuse me. So you still have to be really careful with this type of stuff either way. Because you can still blow yourself up with this current. If let's say you get, like, you have this sharp, like you have a sharp nail or something, and you're touching your two nails and both of them poke into your fingers, then you'll literally blow up. Well, you won't blow up, but you'll get electrocuted, and eventually you kind of will pop after a while, kind of like the way that you would stimulate a hot dog at 230 volts at low current, and it blows up. The same thing will kind of happen with you. But either way, just be safe when you're doing this type of stuff, because you're still messing with voltages. Notice that I had this. I use it for high volt. I'm gonna use it for high voltage and low current, just because you never really want to be up close and personal with the voltage until you're sure you know what you're doing and what it's going to do, because voltages are still unpredictable for all we know. While I was doing this video, there could have been a power surge and that thing could have arced, and I could have shocked myself touching this, but I didn't. So just take all the safety precautions either way when you're messing with voltages, because there's still always that chance that you're gonna get shocked. I don't want to nag anybody, but you just want to be safe, because especially if you're doing this and you have a lot of like loose fabric and stuff, and you have a whole bunch of loose wood shavings, you really don't want to do it unless you're elevated, because I'm elevated off the floor right now. But just be safe while you're doing it. This actually comes from a Mott transformer. Be safe with that too. Don't want to sound like a nag, but this stuff is still pretty powerful either way. So, I guess I'll see you. Bye.